Welcome to the world of plant-based cooking where flavor is king. Mastering the art of flavor pairing can elevate your dishes, making them more exciting, balanced, and satisfying. Whether you're crafting a hearty main course or a delicate appetizer, the right combination of flavors can turn simple ingredients into extraordinary meals. Join us as we explore tips, tricks, and ideas to help you unlock the secrets of harmonious flavor pairing and take your plant-based cooking to the next level. Flavor pairing is the key to elevating any dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's explore how to master it for plant-based cooking. Start by understanding the flavor profiles: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. These are the building blocks of any great dish. Sweet flavors like carrots, sweet potatoes, and butternut squash pair beautifully with warm spices, such as cinnamon and nutmeg. Sour ingredients like lemons, limes, and vinegars cut through richness and brighten up plant-based dishes. Salt isn't just for seasoning, it enhances and balances other flavors. Try using sea salt, miso, or soy sauce. Bitter greens like kale or arugula benefit from a touch of sweetness, such as a drizzle of maple syrup or balsamic glaze. Umami is the meaty flavor often missing in plant-based dishes. Add it with mushrooms, nutritional yeast, or sun-dried tomatoes. Pair roasted cauliflower with tahini and lemon for a nutty, tangy, and creamy combination. Tomatoes and basil are a timeless pairing because their sweetness and freshness complement each other perfectly. Avocado pairs well with lime and cilantro for a fresh, creamy, and zesty flavor profile. Tofu, being neutral in flavor, pairs well with bold marinades like soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Experiment with global flavor combinations, like coconut milk, lime, and curry spices for a Thai-inspired dish. Pair earthy ingredients like lentils with bright flavors like lemon, parsley, and a hint of chili. Sweet fruits like mango or pineapple pair well with spicy elements like jalapenos or chili powder. Use contrasting textures to enhance flavor pairing. Creamy hummus pairs beautifully with crunchy veggies. Dark chocolate and sea salt create an irresistible balance of sweet and salty in desserts. Pairing spicy foods with creamy bases, like sriracha with vegan mayo, creates a harmonious contrast. Sweet potatoes and black beans are a perfect pair, especially with a smoky chipotle dressing. Apples and cinnamon are a classic sweet pairing that works well in breakfasts and desserts. Roasted Brussels sprouts pair wonderfully with tangy balsamic vinegar and crunchy nuts. Nut butters, like almond or peanut, pair well with the natural sweetness of bananas or dates. Try combining the earthy flavor of beets with the tanginess of goat cheese or a vegan alternative. Miso paste adds a salty umami flavor that pairs beautifully with roasted vegetables or soups. Pair citrus fruits like oranges or grapefruits with bitter greens for a refreshing salad. The nuttiness of quinoa is enhanced by the sweetness of dried cranberries or the tanginess of feta. Grilled zucchini pairs beautifully with the brightness of fresh mint and lemon. Sweet and savory pairings, like roasted carrots with a maple glaze and sea salt, can elevate any dish. Pair the mild creaminess of cashew cheese with the boldness of sun-dried tomatoes or olives. The heat from chili flakes is balanced perfectly by the sweetness of roasted cherry tomatoes. Smoky flavors, like smoked paprika, pair wonderfully with hearty ingredients like chickpeas. Coconut pairs well with tropical fruits like pineapple or mango for a refreshing dessert. Pair the crunchiness of toasted nuts with the softness of roasted butternut squash or pumpkin. Match the earthiness of mushrooms with the richness of a miso or tahini sauce. The sweetness of corn pairs well with the spiciness of jalapenos in salsas or chowders. Combine the tartness of pomegranate seeds with the creaminess of avocado in salads or bowls. Match the peppery bite of arugula with the mild sweetness of pears or figs. Sweet and balsamic reduction pairs beautifully with strawberries and basil for a unique twist. Spicy roasted chickpeas pair well with cooling ingredients like cucumber or yogurt-based sauces. Fresh herbs like dill, parsley, or cilantro brighten up the earthy flavors of lentils or grains. Caramelized onions bring a rich sweetness that pairs beautifully with sharp ingredients like Dijon mustard. Tart cherries balance the nutty flavors of almonds in both sweet and savory dishes. Smoky grilled eggplant pairs well with the tanginess of a yogurt or tahini-based sauce. Pair the sweetness of dates with the nuttiness of tahini for a quick, satisfying snack. The sharpness of radishes is complemented by the creaminess of avocado in salads or tacos. Use contrasting temperatures in pairings, like warm roasted veggies over cold, crisp greens. Citrusy flavors like lime or orange zest enhance the natural sweetness of roasted carrots or parsnips. A drizzle of spicy chili oil pairs beautifully with mild, creamy soups like butternut squash or potato. Combine the earthiness of sweet potatoes with the freshness of lime and the heat of cayenne for a balanced dish. Pair the mild flavor of rice or quinoa with bold, aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, or cardamom. Explore sweet and savory combinations, like figs or dates paired with vegan cheeses or roasted nuts. Finish dishes with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a squeeze of citrus juice to tie flavors together and elevate the overall taste.